In this video, I want to talk about when your ex realize that they made a mistake. When your ex realizes that the breakup itself was a mistake. I know that many of you are looking for the signs and also want to know when and how your ex is going to realize that the breakup was a mistake. And so I really wanted to take a deep dive to provide you with that perspective and that guidance. But before we begin, let's talk about what makes an ex realize that the breakup was a mistake. Quite frankly, I often talk about not chasing your ex and giving them the space and the time that is necessary for them to be able to understand the implication of their choices and the implication of the mistake that was a breakup. And it's very difficult for an ex to realize that the breakup itself was a mistake if you are constantly chasing them, if you're overwhelming them with attention, with love, and with validation. And so, on the contrary, it is your ability to take a step back, your ability to deal with the negative emotions, the pain, the fear, and the anxiety that can enable them to approach that and to get those realizations. I was coaching a man in Europe who really wanted to surprise his significant other and really get his act together. And the way that he was able to show to his significant other that it was a mistake to break up with him was that he started to focus on accomplishing his goals. He had procrastinated, he had settled, and quite frankly, he had lost motivation. And so his ex lost confidence in him. She no longer felt safe. She felt like she had to carry the weight and the load of the relationship itself. And so his inability to find motivation and growth in his career had led to her not seeing him as the dream man anymore. And his ex realized that the breakup was a mistake when she saw that he had taken control over his professional life. So, of course, this is just but one example. But the point is, your ex can see that it was a mistake when you're able to surprise them, when you're able to show them that you are not the person that they broke up with. Very often, people misunderstand this advice because of issues that happened during the relationship. If you were too distant during the relationship and did not give your ex enough validation and love and attention, surprising your ex doesn't mean giving them that attention, that validation and love after the breakup. It's a very important principle of breakup recovery, but one that you should know. The path towards reconciliation and breakup recovery is different than the path of being in a healthy relationship. The way that you needed to behave and act during your relationship is not necessarily the way that you need to behave and to act after a breakup. If you were not being true to yourself and to your potential, and if changes are necessary in order for you to be a better version of yourself, go for that. It will be an amazing opportunity to show to your ex that you've evolved and to make them reconsider, because they will see you in a new way. But avoid channeling that love, that eagerness to showcase change towards your ex. It will overwhelm them And quite frankly, it will push them away. It will not help them realize that the breakup was a mistake. And you will most likely end up putting them on a pedestal and acting in a completely different way than you did when you first inspired them. It is your ability to reinvent yourself after a breakup that leads you to a new and improved relationship. Many people instead want to cling on to the past and want to make sure they convey to their ex that they still love them, that they still care, that there's still that connection. But your ex said no to that. And it is your duty now to offer something new with confidence and with well-being so that your ex can feel reassured that a new dynamic is possible. Beyond what will make an ex realize that the breakup was a mistake, another common question that I often get asked is when? When will my ex realize that the breakup was a mistake? A lot of it, of course, depends on you. How quickly do you change? How quickly are you able to implement the what? How strong are you in how resilient you are in making sure that you don't make those common mistakes that push your significant other away? If you make mistakes, you push the when further and further back into the future. So the more quickly you engage in a process of personal transformation, the quicker you're able to give your ex time and space to process their emotion, the more you're able to play on their curiosity and showcase growth and change, the sooner they will realize that the breakup was a mistake. Ultimately, the circumstances of your relationship and the unique traits of your background and your history with your ex will also determine the when. Whether you guys have significant baggage, whether it was a short-term or a long-term relationship, will play a part in determining when your ex will realize this. But the sooner you can be in a happy place, the sooner you're able to engage with them in a way that is organic and uplifting, the sooner they will realize that the breakup was a mistake. Another question linked to this is, how will I know that my ex has realized that this is not what's best for them? In essence, what are the signs that your ex is ready either to take you back or willing to consider at least re-engaging with you in a different way? Ultimately, the more you change, the more you grow, and the more you detach, the easier it is for you to pick up on these signs. Because when you're in a place of vulnerability or desperation, you tend to either be blind to the signs that your ex is giving you to pull back, or you tend to see everything very negatively. And so you need to have your mojo back in order to be able to pick up on the small signs that shows that they're ready for you to continue to take steps towards them. Ultimately, if your ex is also willing to engage, open to seeing you, making excuses to connect with you, if they are willing to engage in physical touch, if there's prolonged eye contact, if they're contacting family members, if they're willing to make future plans together, all of those are signs that something may have shifted. Just because your ex is willing to see you does not mean that they see the breakup as a mistake. Perhaps you guys were on good terms at the time of a breakup, and it's just the continuation of a very organic dynamic that has emerged. But when you see that your ex's behavior changes, when their actions change, when they are no longer acting the way that they used to right before the breakup or thereafter, it usually means that there has been a shift in consciousness and understanding on their part. It may be that they start to also become more negative, that they start to blame you or bring up the past or basically test you to make sure that you actually care, that you are still willing to give them that validation that you gave them after the breakup. All of those things will play a role. Finally, I often get asked about how to speed up the process of breakup recovery, how to make sure that my ex realize that the breakup was a mistake in a way that won't drag on and on and on for months. The best way to do that is to make sure that you raise your understanding of this process, that you understand our philosophy in a profound way, that you start to think like a relationship coach so that you can adjust on the fly and avoid common mistakes. And the best way to do that is to stay connected to our guidance, to the most relevant strategies and approaches that we uncover in the field. And so we encourage you to join our free live trainings that are happening on a regular basis. And you can click on the link below to figure out when the next free live training is and for you to sign up to make sure that you secure your spot and that you don't miss it. This is the heart and soul of our community, coming together, sharing insights, uplifting each other, also talking about challenges and struggles, and us providing you with specific insights that will enable you to unlock your process of breakup recovery and to advance it in a meaningful way. It's just one click away, and it happens on a regular basis because this is how we support you on your journey. This is what fighting the good fight looks like. And so I can only encourage you to take every opportunity that you have to get all the support that you deserve. As always, thank you for your trust. Thank you for your support, and continue to fight the good fight.